this video we are going to make project number 13. So this is our project. We will make this project step by step. So see carefully. So this is the front view and this is the right side view. All dimensions are given here. I'm going to start from the front view. Okay, so front view, I'm going to create this. So this is actually this section I'm going to create first. So for creating that, we need first of all some dimension. Outer dia we need. This is the 62 mm outer dia and extrude length is 52 mm. Go for a sketch and then select your front plane and create a circle first. Apply values 62 mm. Finish your sketch and extrude it. Just apply some values 52 mm. Okay, then go for a sketch and see. Next, there are many cutout is there. So also you can cut out circular cutout. You can apply chamfer. So there are many things. So if you are going to apply chamfer, this is the chamfer values you can see. And if circular cutout, this is the circular cutout values you can see here. So with dia 40 mm. So I'm going to create chamfer first. Okay, so let's create chamfer. On this circular edge, go for chamfer first. Select your edge and change your type, offset and angle. Apply distance values and then angle values. So change your alternate direction, reverse direction, and then click OK. Okay. Then next we are going to cut out this circular section. So create a circle first. Okay, with dia, see what is the dia? Dia is 40 mm. Okay, and depth is 26 mm. So apply dia 40 mm. Finish your sketch and extrude cut. Go for extrude and subtract it. Change your direction. Then apply values 26 mm. Already in subtract. Then click OK. So you can hide this sketch. Then next what we are going to do. So next I am going to create this plate. This plate you can see cylindrical big plate. I am going to create that plate. After then I will cut out some sections. So with dia 130 mm I am going to create a circle first. Apply dia 130 mm. And then because we don't need fully circular profile actually. We having some cutout. You can see in your drawing we having some cutout. So I'm going to cut out first. So again edit this sketch and create a line. Okay. So actually my drawing orientation is changed. That's why I'm going to create this cutout on the top. But in drawing you will see that is in bottom. So no issue because that is circular profile, so no problem. Just apply angle. What is the angle value? You can see here all angle values is 60 degree. So just apply 60 degree. In this side also same values you have to apply 60 degree. Then next trim your unwanted profile. Finish your sketch. You can see the profile is great. Just extrude it. How much you have to extrude? Go for this drawing and see 20 mm you have to extrude. Apply distance. How much? 20 mm. Then click OK. You can hide this sketch. Then next step. Next what you are going to do. So in this drawing many things is remaining here. So we should start from, because inner also one cutout is there. So I'm going to start from this cutout. Okay, this section I'm going to cut. So also first of all I'm going to create this, then I will pattern, then automatically these two copies will create. So go to a sketch and create that section on this face. So what is the position where we have to create? So see some angle is all angle are 60-degree angle actually. Okay, so we have to create a reference line first. Go for line and create a reference line. Okay. And then define angle values between this edge to this boundary edge to this center line, or a center line 60-degree angle. Okay, next, now what we have to do, now for creating this line, how much value is 10 mm, you can see. So we have to offset. Okay, so go for offset, select your line, and then just go for symmetry offset, apply values 5 mm, because both side 5 mm that is going to take. The next what you are going to do, next you need this line. For creating this line with distance, how much, 15 mm distance we need actually. So just create a line first, any as a reference I'm going to create, and just define this quadrant point to this line length, how much, 15 mm. Okay, unwanted sketch we will trim. The next I'm going to convert this boundary as a sketch. Okay, after then trim your unwanted sketches, inverted lines, just trim it. So this is your closed profile. Okay, now you can cut out. So this profile is ready. Finish your sketch and then go for extrude. Select your sketch, change your direction, and then until select here or until next you can select here. You can see cutout is ready. The next what you have to do, another 2 copies we need. Okay, so for that we should pattern. Okay, so you have to calculate total angle, how much. So total angle you have to calculate 120. So go for pattern. What pattern? Circular pattern we have to take. So first of all, select your feature. This is our feature. Select a vector, means center axis, and go for count and span. Apply total angle, how much, 120 degree. Change your direction. Apply how much, 3 copies, and then see preview, and then you can click OK. You can see all 3 copies are created. Then next what we are going to do, see in this drawing another one cutout is there, that is the circular cutout. So this circle I am going to create. It is the die is 25 mm. Okay, so go for a sketch, select this face and click OK, and create a circle with dia 25 mm. Finish your sketch and then extrude cut. Okay, change your direction and go for until next. Okay, hide your sketch. You can see in different views. This is the right side, this is the top view, and this is the front view. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you understand.